welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're going through the Ferrari Collection. This is magazine number 11, the old Testa Rossa. We will take a look in more detail of this 143 scale model that comes with it. But first, as usual, I'm going to go through the magazine. Not in great detail, just very quickly. So in this one, we've got the production models, groundbreaking Tourer 166, Inter, 250 Testa Rossa 1958, which is the model we have here, single-seaters, the Great Illusion of F1 86, and the 250 Testa Rossa 1950s Legend. Now you can pause if you want to read this in detail. In 1948, Ferrari introduced the Inter chassis, designed principally for Grand Tour or GT models, and given bodywork by the finest Italian designers and coach builders. The 166 Inter, so sophisticated. It is very nice. I do believe we have a model of that. I have mentioned on the majority of these videos that if they show or talk about it in here, there is actually a model. Not necessarily that one, but these guys here. So if they highlight it, that one there's a beautiful Inter with bodywork by Touring. The model's elegance and rarity have made it particularly desirable for collectors. Yeah, some of the 250s, Ferrari 250s are some of the most expensive cars in the world. So this one has a front-mounted 60-degree V12. Very nice. 110 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. It's not a lot. We're talking, though, you know, an old vehicle. Still very elegant. Testa Rossa in Stars and Stripes. So Phil Hill and Oliver Gendebien, 250 Testa Rossa, crosses the finish line at the 1958 Le Mans 24-hour. Very nice. The Testa Rossa 1958. There are many die-cast cars of the 58 Testa Rossa, in 118 scale especially. Glad I got one in 143. Engine of this one is also a 60-degree V12, born stroke of 73.58.8. It has between 290 and 300 brake horsepower at 7,200 RPM. Maximum speed of 270 kilometers an hour, 168 mile an hour. There are only 19 produced. Wow. I did not know that. That would make it fairly rare too. We do get a pull-out poster here, Club Italia. All right, more of the stuff here. Transparent cover. In some of the 250 Testa Rossas, there was an opening in the bonnet for the trumpet-shaped carburetor air inlets. This was covered by a dome-shaped plexiglass lid that revealed the mechanical parts. Not on the model that I've got, but okay. That's because they wanted to show it off. Yeah. Testa Rossa's most important victories. Buenos Aires, the 1,000 kilometer race, came first and second. Sebring 12-hour, first. Targa Floria, first. Le Mans 24-hour, first. Nürburgring 1,000 kilometer, second. And in 59, the Sebring 12-hour, first. And Nürburgring 1,000, second. Did very well. All right, into the single-seaters. The Greatest Illusion, after coming close to winning the Formula One World Championship in 1985, Ferrari was hoping for better luck in 86. Unfortunately, the F1 86 wasn't up to the task with ambitious talent. Italian driver Michele Alboreto had to be put on hold. Okay. I remember the old 27 and 28, I think it was, from back then, or do have those models too. Very nice. There it is, 28. That engine was a 120 degree V6 with 850 brake horsepower at 11,500 RPM. Back in the day when Formula One was wonderful, and every car, potentially every maker had different engines with different sounds. You could hear the 6s, you could hear the 12s, the 10s, the V8s. Yeah, love it. So the honours was in the Austrian was second and third, Belgian was third, Italian was third, and the Australian GP was third. Okay, so it's still up there. All right, and the coming up in the next one is a Dino 246 GTS model in yellow, and I will show that one off next week. We'll come and have a look at the car in more detail. All right, the Testa Rossa that I started the video with, this red one, which I thought was actually the 58, is not the one I'm after. So this is another awesome Testa Rossa. We'll have a look at that when the video for that particular car comes around. But the 58 that matches the one on the magazine there is actually this one here, with the American flag on it and the open side to it. So very nice looking car. Love the spoked wheels there. Can we get that on focus? Okay, hang on, let's get in the magazine. There we go. So we've got knock-on caps, just with a straight line, unlike the E-type Jag ones or the British ones that have like 3 spokes to clip on. White with blue stripe, Ferrari badge right at the front there, number 22. A white cover for this. We do have a passenger seat in there. Yep. Gear shifter on an angle. Looks like a wooden wheel with Ferrari on the center. And there is a very small single instrument cluster. Not even a cluster, just a single one. Silver floor and on the inside of the door there. I'm guessing brown leather chairs. Rear end exhaust pipes coming out on a bit of an angle. So we'll have a look underneath. Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa. You've got your pipes that run from the actual side of the car out and down. It's actually quite nice. Very skinny wheels on it. It's nice that I've got 2 of these. One does have the scoop part in the front, which is painted, so it's not something that can be a gap or anything. Do have nice caps over the lights though. It looks like we've got some extra driving lights in front. Very nice. See if I can get that in. There is a bit of a grill in there. Yeah. That's very nice. I will put, oh, it's actually got leather or brown painted straps to hold this one down. A bit like the belts that they put on. And even a windscreen wiper, which is separate. Yeah, very nice. And a Lucy Bell 2 written on there. I will put this on the turntable. We'll check it out. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.